All right. It's Double Deuce back. So, I had to put a video up tonight for everybody that bought one of these. This is the sickest engine ever. I'm telling you. If any of you guys had played with some RC stuff, you know, two strokes always like bang, bang, bang. They're right up there in RPMs. Anyway, long story short, they proudly put their name on the valve cover for a reason, and I'll show you why. So stay tuned, grab your favorite beverage, popcorn, smoke, whatever you want to do, and hang out with me for like at least 10 minutes, because I'm going to fire this thing up, and this is the baddest mofo engine I've ever owned. That is the baddest mofo engine ever. Ever. Tell me your thoughts.